Hello and welcome to this eighth set of problems, that is problem number 71 to 80 on logarithm. So as I always say that when I'm reading the problem, you should pause the video and try to solve the problem yourself. If you cannot solve the problem yourself, only then look at the solution. So without further ado, let's get started. Problem 71 says that solve log of 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125 with base 5 is equal to log of 6 with base 5 plus 1 by 2x. So we bring log of 6 with base 5 to left hand side. So left hand side will become log of 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125. This should be 5 minus log of 6 with base 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2x. So apply the formula of log x minus log y with same base, which becomes left hand side becomes log of 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125 by 6 whole with base 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2x. So now we take anti-log. So left hand side will be 5 to the power 1 by x plus 125 by 6 is equal to 5 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2x. So we will take one power out from right hand side of 5. So it will be 5 and then we multiply with 6, it will become 30. So right hand side will become 30 into 5 to the power 1 by 2x. Over here also it should be 125. I make lots of typing mistakes. So now we let z is equal to 5 to the power 1 by 2x. So left hand side would be z square minus 120 plus 125 and right hand side would be 30z. So we bring 30z to left hand side, we get z square minus 30z plus 125 is equal to 0. So you solve this quadratic equation, you factorize this, you get z is equal to 5 comma 25. So x would be 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Problem 72 says that solve for x and y. The first equation is log of modulus of x plus y with base 100 is equal to 2 and log of y with base 10 minus log of mod x with base 10 is equal to log of 4 with base 100. So from first equation we can say that yeah, okay, this should be there is something wrong here. This should be base 10 and this should be 2. This is not half and this is not 100. So we get x plus y mod of xy. Hang on, let me see this. So this should be half. If this is half, this is okay. So if this is half, mod of x plus y will be equal to square root of 100, that is 10. So x plus y whole square is equal to 100. Now right hand side is log of y with base 10 minus log of mod x with base 10 is equal to log of 4 with base 100. So left hand side becomes log of y by mod x with base 10 and right hand side can be written as log of 2 with base 10 because this is 2 square and this is 10 square. So when both 2's are removed, they will cancel each other. So from this we can say that y is equal to 2 mod x. That is y square is equal to 4x square. So now if you think in terms of this, so when x is greater than 0, what will happen is you substitute this here. So 4x, this is x square plus 2xy plus um, y square. So y square will be 4x square. So 4x square plus x square will be 5x square and 2xy will become 4x into mod of x. So if x is greater than 0, it will be 5x square plus 4x square, that is 9x square. Then x will be 10 by 3. But if x is less than 0, this equation will become 5x square minus 4x square, that is x square is equal to 100. So x will be less than 0, so x will be minus 10. So in this case y will be 20 by 3 and 20. For two values of x, y would be 20 by 3 and 20. That is when x is 10 by 3, y will be 20 by 3, and when x is minus 10, y will be 20. Problem 73 says that solve 2 into log of x with base 2 and then we take again log of that with base 2 plus log of 2 square root of 2x with base 2 and we take log of that with base half is equal to 1. So first we bring the left hand side is 2 to the power. So it becomes log x with base 2 whole square. And the half is converted to 2, so we get a minus sign here, and right hand side we leave as it is. So this now both the outermost logs are base 2, so we can write this as log of x with base 2 whole square by log of 2 square root of 2x with base 2, and then log 2 is the modifier of that. So we can write this now as, so when we take anti-log, this will be removed and this will become 2, right hand side will become 2. So we can say that log of x with base 2 whole square is equal to 2 log of 2 square 2x by with base 2. So now if you see the right hand side, if you move this 2 here, it will become 2 square 2x whole square, which is equal to 8x. Now 8x can be written as 8 plus x, and 8 is 2 to the power 3. So the log of that with base 2 will be 3 plus log of x with base 2, which we bring to the left hand side, and then substitute log x with base 2 as z. So it becomes z square minus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. So z is equal to minus 1 comma 3. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and 8. But for logarithms to be defined, log x should be greater than 0. Log of x with base 2 should be greater than 0. And log of 2 square root of 2x with base 2 should be greater than 0. So this essentially means that x should be greater than 1, because from here and from here. So since x should be greater than 1, we have to discard the root half, and x is equal to 8 is the only acceptable solution. Problem 74 says that solve log of x square plus 7 with base 8, and then we take log of that with base 3 by 4 plus log of half, log with base half into log of with base 4 into x square plus 7 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So in this case, we write this log 8 as 2 to the power 3, and we write this 1 by 4 as 2 to the power minus 2, and then we take out this 3, it becomes 1 by 3, and the rest of it remains same. Here we bring out this this 1 by 4 is written in form of 2. So this minus 2, when it is brought out, we remove the power of minus 1, and then we have this. So after this, we let y is equal to log of x square plus 7 with base 2. So left hand side is log of y by 3 with base 3 by 4 plus log of half with base half. From here, this half plus log of y with base half is equal to minus 2. So log of half with base half is 1. We write log of x by y in the form of log x minus log y, and then we bring this to 1 by 2 as 2. So we have a negative sign here, and then we take log of y with base 2 common, so we get this, that is log of 2 by with base 3 by 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus log of 3 with base 3 by 4. We bring this to the right hand side. So now we write this 1 as log of 3 by 4 with base 3 by 4, and we write this minus 3 as log of 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 3 with base 3 by 4, and this remains same, rest of it remains same. So left hand side becomes log of y into log of 8 by 3. We divide this 2 by 3 by 4, so it becomes 8 by 3 with base 3 by 4. And right hand side, this will be 64 by 27, and then you multiply this with 3, so it will be 64 by 9. So this is 8 square by 3 square, so we bring out 2, so it is 2 log of 3 by 4 in log of 8 by 3 with base 3 by 4. So once we have this, we can say that log of y with base 2 is equal to 2, because log of 8 by 3 will get cancelled. So y is equal to 4. That means log of x square plus 7 with base 2 is equal to 4. So x square plus 7 will be 4 square, that is 16. That means x square is equal to 9 or plus minus 3. Problem 75 says that solve the following equations for x and y. The first equation is log of x is base 10 plus log of x to the power half plus log of x to the power 1 by 4 up to infinity is equal to y. And the second equation is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to 2y minus 1 divided by 4 plus 7 plus 10 and up to 3y plus 1 is equal to 20 by 7 log of x with base 10. So from the first equation, we bring out the powers of x to the left side and then we take log x with base 10 common. We get powers as 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 up to infinity, which is a geometric progression with common ratio half. So we write the sum formula, which is first term by 1 minus common ratio. So that is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 log of x with base 10 is equal to y. So we can say that log of x is equal to y by 2. Now we consider the second equation. If you observe carefully, that is the terms 1, 3 and 5 are there up to 2y minus 1. So number of terms would be y. Similarly for denominator, number of terms would be y. So the sum can be written as y by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d for an arithmetic progression. So we get this as y by 2 into 2 plus y minus 1 into 2 because 2 is the common difference of numerator and 1 is the first term. And similarly for denominator, we can write this as y by 2 into 4 into 2, that is 8 plus y. Okay, there is something wrong here. The common difference is 3. Oh, 4 into 2 is fine. 4 into 2, that is first term into 2, 8 plus y minus 1 into 3 is equal to 20 by 7, and we substitute y by 2 for log x. So it is y by 2. So we get y by 2 will get cancelled here on left hand side. So what will be left is 2y by 3y plus 5 is equal to 40 by 7y. So we get 7y square minus 60y minus 100 is equal to 0. So y is 10 and minus 10 by 7, but y is number of terms in this series. So it cannot be a fraction and therefore y is equal to 10, hence x is equal to 10 to the power 5. Problem 76 says that solve 18 to the power 4x minus 3 is equal to 54 square root of 2 to the power 3x minus 4. So we take log of both sides. It becomes 4x minus 3 log 18 is equal to 3x minus 4 into log of 18 into 3 square root of 2. So 3 square root of 2 is basically square root of 18. So this essentially becomes 18 to the power 3 by 2. So we cancel out log 18. The power 3 by 2 will come to be multiplied with 3x minus 4. There will be 4x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 4 into 3 by 2. That means x is equal to 6. Problem 77 says that solve 4 to the power log of 3 with base 9 plus 9 to the power log of 4 with base 2 is equal to 10 to the power log of 83 with base x. So in this case, we write the first 9, this 9 as 3 square and this 4 as 2 square. So we bring out this 2, we will get half here, and we bring out this 2, we will have 2 here. So it is 4 to the power half log of 3 with base 3 plus 9 square log of 2 with base 2 is equal to 10 log of 83 with base x. So left hand side becomes 4 to the power half because log of 3 with base 3 is 1 and plus 9 square is equal to 10 to the power log x 83. So we get 83 is equal to 10 to the power 8 log of 83 with base x. Now we take log of 10 on both sides. We get, there's a typing mistake. Log of 83 with base 10 is equal to log of 83 with base x is equal to, that implies x is equal to 10. Problem 78 says that solve 3 to the power 4 log of x plus 1 with base 9 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into log of x with base 2 plus 3. So in this case, we write this base 9 as 3 square. So this 4 will become 2 when we bring 2 out, and then we take that 2 and we raise it to the power of x plus 1. And on right hand side we take this power 2 and we bring it as power of x here. So it becomes x square. Now the bases are 3 here and the base of power is also 3. So this would be x plus 1 whole square, and right hand side would be x square plus 3 similarly. That means x is equal to 1. Problem 79 says that 6 by 5 into a to the power log of x with base a into log of a with base 10 into log of 5 with base a minus 3 to the power log of x by 10 with base 10 is equal to 9 to the power log of x with base 100 plus log of 2 with base 4. So first we consider the power of 3. So we write log of x by 10 with base 10 as log x 10 with base 10 minus log of 10 with base 10. And on right hand side, this should be 100, right? Yeah, this should be 100. That is 10 square. So this is 10 square x plus log of 2 square 2. This log 4 is written as 2 square. Once we have this, we take this and we will have log of 10 with base 10 as 1. So power of 3 here is 3 to the power log of x with base 10 minus 1. And here we bring the power 2 of base 10 outside, so it becomes half. And here we bring the power 2 of base 2 square, so it also becomes half. So you see there are two halves. So right hand side will become 3. 9 to the power half, we take half, so it will be square root of 9, there is 3, and power would be log of x with base 10 plus 1. And there should be a plus sign here. We bring this 3 to the right hand side. We apply the base change of left hand side. It becomes 6 to the power 6 by 5 into a to the power log of 5 with base a into log of x with base 10. So we know that when we have a logarithm like a to the power log of n with base a, then that is equal to n. So this will, what is in the brackets will be equal to 5. So 5 will get cancelled. And on the right hand side, we take 3 to the power log of x with base 10 minus 1 common. And what we will have is 1 plus 3 square as a multiplier. So once we have this 10 here, it becomes, right hand side will become 10 by 6. We take 1 power here and we bring 3 to the left hand side. We take out 1 power here, 5 will get cancelled. So this is essentially reduced to this equation, that is log of x with base 10 minus 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 100. Problem 80 says that solve 2 to the power 3x plus half plus 2 to the power x plus half is equal to 2 to the power log of 6 with base 2. So we can take out power half as square root of 2, so it is 2 to the power 3x into square root of 2 plus 2 to the power x into square root of 2 is equal to 6. We divide right hand side with square root 2 and left hand side also with square root of 2. So it becomes 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 3 square root of 2. So this is a cubic equation. You solve it for 2 to the power x, you will get 3 roots. One will be square root of 2 and other two will be complex and complex conjugate of square root of 2 plus minus square root of 5i by 2. So we ignore the complex roots. We have 2 to the power x is equal to square root of 2, so x is equal to half. Yeah, so that is problem 80. With this, we come to the end of this set of problems, and I hope that you find this video useful. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that it gives me motivation to make more videos, and it also reaches many more people and they can also benefit from this, because that's how YouTube algorithm works. The more likes there are, the more is the chances of this coming into search or suggestion. Also, if you have a comment or question or you want to say something, please make use of the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy.